In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bulleted list in your document. Whether you're organizing ideas, outlining a plan, or making content easier to scan, a clean bulleted list can make a big difference. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along in any common document or text editor. Start by deciding what you want to turn into a list. If you already have text written, highlight the specific sentences or lines you want to become bullets. This tells the editor exactly which part to convert, leaving the rest of your content unchanged. If you're starting fresh, just click inside the text area or the text box where you want your list to begin. The cursor should be blinking in the spot where the first bullet will go. Next, look to the top toolbar and find the bulleted list icon. It usually looks like 3 dots with short lines next to them. When you click this icon, the editor formats your selected text as a bulleted list, or if your cursor is placed in a blank spot, it starts a brand new bullet so you can begin typing right away. If you're working on a smaller screen, some tools hide less used buttons to save space. In that case, look for a 3-dot More button in the toolbar. Click that to reveal additional options, and you should see the bulleted list icon there. Once you find it, give it a click to apply bullets to your selection or to start your list. Now begin writing your first point. Keep each bullet focused on a single idea to make it easy to read. When you finish one point, press Enter. Your editor will automatically create the next bullet on a new line. Type your next point and press Enter again. Continue this rhythm, type, then Enter, for each additional bullet you want to add. This steady flow helps you build your list quickly without breaking your focus. A few quick tips as you go. Aim for clear, concise wording. Start each bullet with a consistent style, such as using verbs or keeping capitalization uniform, and avoid cramming multiple ideas into one line. If you're converting existing text, skimming each bullet after it appears can help you catch awkward breaks or extra spacing. That's all there is to it. Select where the list should go, or highlight the text you want to convert. Click the bulleted list icon, using the More menu if you're on a small screen, then type your point and press Enter for each new bullet. With these simple steps, your content will be clearer, cleaner, and easier to follow.